Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I want to ask you, how many tips for Google Drive are you using? Like, you've got maybe a set of 4 or 5 that you go to do-its, and how many of those exist? Well, I've got a list in the show notes. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, I've got them so you can get them. Well, the bbomb.com put up a list of 20 tips for Google Drive. Take a look at that when you get a minute. You're going to make use of that. Also, I've started putting into the comments, if you're watching on YouTube, there should be a link to access the Google document directly from YouTube.
Hi, this is Guy Cook, and the ways to get in contact with me, well, you can contact me through the GuyRCookReport.com or https://GuyRCook.com. There's a contact form there. Or you can call the new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking. Hi. The reason for this section of the video is to remind you to subscribe or at least like. It's a wrap.